Question I'm often asked is, at what point should a person make a living trust? Is there an asset limit? Is there a property that they should own before that happens? And the answers aren't straightforward, but here are some of the considerations. If you have people that you want to provide for and they are dependent on you, then you will want to probably avoid probate after your death. If you have a will after you die, then your family will have to go to the probate court, file a legal case to open a probate, and they will have to hire an attorney. And then after they do that, then the money that's held in your name will be transferred into the probate estate, and all of your creditors will have to be paid, and all of it will be under court supervision until there is nothing left to do except for distribute the money. And at that point, it could take a year, it could take a year and a half or longer. Then the person in charge of your estate will be able to distribute the money to your loved ones. If you have people that are counting on you, that are depending on you, waiting for that period of time may be very difficult for them. And so for people like that, they often want to have a living trust. When you have a living trust, as soon as the person passes away, the successor trustee can take over without having to go to court. They can immediately deal with whatever bills have to be paid. And if there are people who are dependent on you, then the trust can provide that they continue to receive assistance right away in the very beginning. And so those are some of the reasons why people want to have trust. It doesn't relate to their assets or amount of wealth. It really relates to the plan for taking care of their family. Another reason people might want to have a living trust, and it has nothing to do with the amount of assets that they have, is that they have a gift that they want to make to children or grandchildren, and they don't think that those people are ready to manage money on their own, at this time. And so with a living trust, you can delay the distribution. You can have a trustee who's in charge of paying for their education or making sure that they continue to have housing or healthcare or things that you care about without distributing all the funds out at one time. And so the flexibility to provide care for the loved ones, the speed and the lack of a need to involve the court are many of the reasons people consider making a living trust at any time, in particular with real property. In conclusion, the time to make a living trust and who is the right person to make a living trust is someone who wants to provide for their beneficiaries after their death and ensure that their wishes are carried out without the need to have a court of law intervene, and that those wishes can be carried out as soon as they have passed away. It's Attorney Amy. I hope you liked that video. Please remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more content like this. I post every week. If there's topics or issues you think I should cover and you haven't seen a video here yet, please let me know in the comments.